Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School Vasai. Myself Shikta Pethe, French teacher. This video is for class 6, chapter number 8, Une sortie entre amis, video part 1. So let's begin. Lessons with une sortie entre amis, meaning an outing with the friends. Now in this chapter we will be doing the first grammar part. Now as you have come across the verbs, that is the être and avoir. Okay, we have also done with aller verb. So we will be doing le verb. Now these are the verbs you will be like introduced for the first time, and they are like, in French there are three groups of verbs. They trois group means the three groups. That is first er ending verb, second is ir ending verb, and third is re ending verbs. Now what are er, re and ir verbs? Okay, to conjugate the er verbs, ending verb, we remove er from the end of the verb and we repeat with the appropriate ending, that is e, es, e, o, ons, ez, ent. Okay, now as you it's been given over here, the verbs in French are of three groups, that is ir, er and re regular verbs. Now all these months we have been doing with the être, avoir and aller. Now être is re verb, avoir is ir verb, whereas aller is er verb. But they are not regular verbs. Why they are not regular verbs? Because in those verbs we are not taking the proper formation. Okay, there is no proper formation, whereas in the er regular verbs there is a proper format of conjugating the regular verbs. So what are they? So whenever we say that er verb means what? The verbs with end with er are called as er verbs. Now while conjugating, what we have to do? The same pattern, that is je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay, now for example here it's given aimer. Now can you see it's er verb? Now what to do? Aimer meaning is to love or to like. Now when you are going to conjugate the er verb, you have to, first rule is you have to take out the er. Clear? So after taking out er from this, what is the root that you are getting? aim. So that aim has to be added to all the subject pronoun. Clear? And after adding, what you get here? Now they have added an extra e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. So this is the first trial, like you are going to learn, since you are not aware of what are regular er verbs. This is the pattern we follow for every regular er verbs while conjugating. Is it clear? So now what will be the pronunciation over here? Shame, tu, aim. Now as we have done with avoir, when there is je, excuse me, it is je. Okay, you don't put je a because there is a clash of vowel. So it is j'aime, same here. But it is only applicable for the je, not the rest. Because if you say after tu also there is a vowel, but you don't apply that. That rule is only for je. So it is j'aime, tu aime, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Is it clear? So how are you going to conjugate this? J'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, elles aiment. Now you have to keep in mind, see, all the pronunciation are same, like aim. Only for nous and vous you are going to change it. It is aimant and aimé. Whereas for il and elle, you don't say pronounce it as aimant and aimant. Ent is not pronounced. So it is just aim. So very well you have to do the pronunciation. Is it clear? Now some er ending verbs, that is chanter, to sing, regarder, to see, habiter, to live, jouer, to play, danser, to dance, colorier is to color, détester, to dislike, compter is to count, and parler, to talk. So the same way you have to conjugate it according to the rule that is been given over here. For example, if we take chanter, so it is er you have to take out. What is the root you are getting? chant. So that chant has to be added to all the subject, that is je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Then the endings will be chante, chantes, chante, chantes, chant. So how are you going to pronounce it? Je chante, tu chantes, il chante, elle chante, Nu shanta, vu shante, il shant, el shant. So same will be for other ER verb. Attention, all the above mentioned ER ending verbs are conjugated in the same manner as explained previously. Etra, avoir and aller are irregular verbs. They do not belong to any of this group. As I told you that this etra, avoir, they do not take the pattern. Okay, now what is the pattern? The pattern is you are going to take out ER, then the root, then the addings. This is the pattern. But we do not follow it for aller, etra and avoir. Is it clear? Now, moving on to the repas. Repas is the meal. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Now, this is what? What do you like? J'aime le gâteau. J'aime is, as we have learnt, j'aime is the verb, infinitive verb, and you have been conjugated here. Like, qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Now, according to the subject pronoun, you are going to conjugate. You cannot be writing here, qu'est-ce que tu aimes? Because you are not conjugated it. So according to the subject pronoun you have to conjugate it. So it is qu'est-ce que tu aimes? J'aime le gâteau, means I like the cake. Now these are some of the foods like the chip, that is the chips, la burger, la pizza, le gâteau, la crêpe. Crêpe is the pancake, okay. Les frites is the what we say French fries. Le chocolat. Clear? So here you have got two verbs, that is aimer, and the second verb is qu'est-ce que tu détestes. Déteste is to dislike, you do not like. Clear? So je déteste le sandwich. So whatever, what do you like, what do you don't like, you can mention here. For example, if you don't like the vegetables, so you can mention je déteste les légumes. You all have come across many vocabs now. You can mention any of the food which you don't like. Okay, so the aimer, this is the sign for the contraire or the opposite, you can say. Aimer, détester, meanings to like or to hate. To like, unlike. Is it clear? The vocabulary here. Na bonne chance is good luck. Commander is to order. Ensemble, together. Formidable is great. La rencontre, meeting. Le repas, food. Les chips. Les frites. Fries, a burger is burger, a chocolat is chocolate, a concours is a competition, a gâteau is a cake, a piano is piano, a restaurant is restaurant, a sandwich is sandwich, une crêpe is a pancake, and pizza is a pizza. Is it clear? Now when we conjugate the verbs here, it is conjugate le verb, conjugate the verbs. Je regarde, regarder la télé. So according to the je form, you are going to conjugate the er, regarder verb. Regarder means to watch. Sia déteste la crêpe. Sia dislikes the pancake. Vous êtes être gros. Now être, you have to conjugate it according to vous form. So it is vous êtes, we are, you are big. Rahul chante une chanson. Rahul sings a song. Elles habitent à Nice. I am not saying it as elles habitent ENT. Okay, so it is elles habitent à Nice. They live at Nice. You cannot say actually at Nice. They live in Nice. Nice is a city. Lara et Paul ont une grande voiture. Avoir. Lara and Paul have a big car. J'aime aimer la famille. Okay, I like my family. Nous allons aller à la piscine. Okay, nous allons à la piscine. Now what you have come across, you have for ER regular verbs, you can follow the pattern, but être, avoir, aller, you have to memorize the verb as they are irregular verbs. Is it clear, students? Now the next part, in the next video, we'll be doing the other part of the chapter. Okay, till then, au revoir.